Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your running light, or your running bulb, running light bulb, whatever. So basically the only tool you're going to need is this glove, and see if I can get it on with one hand. Nope. There we go. I thought I've ridden long enough, maybe I could do it with one hand, but I'm going to be showing you how to change this bulb in here. So all you're going to need to do to change that bulb in there is you're just going to want to make sure you have your glove on and make a fist, and you just that's pretty much all there is to it. As you can see, I accidentally broke the bulb in the process. So that's why this glove is essential. Because if you do that, this glass right here isn't going to be very fun to get. As you can see, I've already changed this one. So I'm not going to really show how to change the bulb itself because that's pretty self-explanatory. But, oh, there goes my AC. But, yeah, that's all you need to do. Make sure you have your glove and you're set. Thank you for watching. Just